Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can make any field as a required field in Divi Contact Form. So here you can see this is simple contact form, and now let me tell you how we can make any field as a required field in our contact form. So now here you can see we have enabled Divi Builder, and now go to module setting. So this is called Divi Contact Form module, and here you can see these are various fields. So for example, I want to make email field as a required field. Just click here settings, then scroll down, and here you can find out field options. Click here, then here you can see required option. So just enable required. So now we have make email field as a required field in our Divi Contact Form. Then click save, and then final step is here you can see save button. So this is how you can easily make any field as a required field in Divi Contact Form.